Revitalizing lives and overcoming anemia challenges is now made possible with Retacrit Injection. Anemia is a condition characterized by a lack of healthy red blood cells to carry sufficient oxygen to the body's tissues. This can lead to fatigue, weakness, and a decrease in overall quality of life. Fortunately, Retacrit Injection is here to provide a much-needed solution. With its powerful formulation, Retacrit Injection stimulates the bone marrow to produce more red blood cells, effectively combating anemia. This innovative treatment option has been extensively researched and proven to be safe and effective. It offers renewed hope for individuals suffering from anemia, allowing them to regain their energy and vitality. Retacrit Injection has rapidly gained recognition among healthcare professionals as a game-changer in the field of anemia management. Its breakthrough formulation and impressive results have made a significant impact on patients' lives, improving their overall well-being and restoring their confidence. Say goodbye to the burdens of anemia and embrace a revitalized life with Retacrit Injection. Experience the transformation it offers and rediscover the joy of living. Don't let anemia hold you back any longer. Take control of your health with Retacrit Injection. Understanding anemia and its challenges. Anemia is a condition that affects millions of people worldwide. It occurs when the body does not have enough healthy red blood cells to carry oxygen to the tissues. This can result from various causes, including nutritional deficiencies, chronic diseases, and genetic factors. Anemia can lead to a range of symptoms, such as fatigue, weakness, shortness of breath, and dizziness. These symptoms can significantly impact a person's daily life, making even simple tasks challenging to complete. Living with anemia can be a constant struggle. The lack of energy and vitality can make it difficult to perform daily activities, affecting work productivity, personal relationships, and overall quality of life. Individuals with anemia often feel worn out and unable to keep up with the demands of their daily routines. This can lead to frustration, depression, and a sense of hopelessness. Causes of anemia and its impact on daily life. Anemia can be caused by various factors, each with its own set of challenges. Nutritional deficiencies, particularly iron, vitamin B12, and folate deficiencies, are common causes of anemia. Poor diet, malabsorption issues, or certain medical conditions can lead to these deficiencies. Inadequate intake or absorption of essential nutrients needed for red blood cell production can result in anemia. Chronic diseases, such as kidney disease, cancer, and autoimmune disorders, can also contribute to anemia. These conditions affect the body's ability to produce or utilize red blood cells effectively. The constant battle with these underlying diseases, coupled with the challenges of anemia, can significantly impact a person's daily life. Genetic factors can also play a role in anemia. Inherited conditions like sickle cell anemia and thalassemia can cause chronic anemia, requiring lifelong management and treatment. The physical and emotional toll of managing these genetic conditions can be overwhelming, affecting a person's ability to lead a normal life. The impact of anemia on daily life cannot be understated. Fatigue and weakness can make it difficult to perform even basic activities, such as getting out of bed, climbing stairs, or carrying groceries. Concentration and cognitive function may also be affected, making it challenging to focus at work or school. The emotional toll of anemia can lead to feelings of frustration, sadness, and a decreased sense of self-worth. The role of Retacrit Injection in treating anemia. Retacrit Injection has emerged as a revolutionary treatment option for anemia. It belongs to a class of medications known as erythropoiesis-stimulating agents, ESAs, which stimulate the bone marrow to produce more red blood cells. By increasing the production of red blood cells, Retacrit Injection addresses the underlying cause of anemia and helps restore normal oxygen levels in the body. Retacrit Injection has been extensively studied and proven to be safe and effective in the management of anemia. Clinical trials have shown that it can significantly increase hemoglobin levels and improve symptoms of anemia. This allows individuals to regain their energy, overcome fatigue, and resume their daily activities with renewed vigor. How Retacrit Injection works to revitalize lives. Retacrit Injection is administered subcutaneously, meaning it is injected just beneath the skin. The active ingredient in Retacrit Injection is epoetin alfa, a synthetic form of the hormone erythropoietin. Erythropoietin is naturally produced by the kidneys and plays a crucial role in red blood cell production. When Retacrit Injection is injected into the body, it binds to specific receptors on the surface of cells in the bone marrow. This stimulates the production of red blood cells, increasing their numbers and improving oxygen carrying capacity. As a result, oxygen delivery to the body's tissues is enhanced, alleviating the symptoms of anemia and improving overall well-being. Retacrit Injection offers a personalized approach to anemia management. The dosage and frequency of injections may vary depending on individual needs and response to treatment. Healthcare professionals will closely monitor hemoglobin levels and adjust the treatment plan accordingly to achieve optimal results. Benefits and success stories of Retacrit Injection. The benefits of Retacrit Injection extend far beyond the increased production of red blood cells. Individuals who have received Retacrit Injection have reported a significant improvement in their quality of life. They have experienced a reduction in fatigue, increased energy levels, and a renewed sense of well-being. One success story is that of Sarah, a 45-year-old woman who had been struggling with anemia for years. She had tried various treatments with limited success until she discovered Retacrit Injection. After starting treatment, Sarah noticed a remarkable difference in her energy levels within a few weeks. She was able to participate in activities she previously found challenging, such as exercising and spending quality time with her family. Retacrit Injection gave Sarah a new lease on life, allowing her to fully enjoy every moment. Administering Retacrit Injection, dosage and precautions. Retacrit Injection should only be administered under the supervision of a healthcare professional. The dosage and frequency of injections will be determined based on individual needs and response to treatment. It is important to follow the prescribed treatment plan and attend regular follow-up appointments to monitor progress. As with any medication, Retacrit Injection does carry some risks. Common side effects may include headache, dizziness, nausea, and injection site reactions. Serious side effects are rare but may include high blood pressure, blood clots, and allergic reactions. It is essential to discuss any concerns or questions with a healthcare professional before starting treatment. Availability and accessibility of Retacrit Injection. Retacrit Injection is available by prescription and can be obtained from healthcare providers or specialty pharmacies. It is crucial to consult with a healthcare professional to determine if Retacrit Injection is the right treatment option for anemia. They will assess individual needs, consider any potential contraindications, and provide guidance on the appropriate course of treatment. In terms of accessibility, Retacrit Injection has gained widespread recognition and is available in many countries. Efforts are being made to ensure that individuals with anemia have access to this life-changing treatment. Healthcare providers and organizations are working together to raise awareness about Retacrit Injection and its benefits, ensuring that those in need can benefit from its transformative effects. Conclusion: empowering individuals with anemia through Retacrit Injection. Retacrit Injection has emerged as a game-changer in the field of anemia management. With its powerful formulation and proven effectiveness, it offers renewed hope for individuals struggling with anemia. By stimulating the production of red blood cells, Retacrit Injection revitalizes lives, allowing individuals to regain their energy, overcome fatigue, and improve their overall well-being. If you or someone you know is living with anemia, don't let it hold you back any longer. Take control of your health and embrace a revitalized life with Retacrit Injection. Consult with a healthcare professional to explore this innovative treatment option and experience the transformation it offers. Rediscover the joy of living and say goodbye to the burdens of anemia with Retacrit Injection. Retacrit Injection is not just a medication, it is a catalyst for change, empowering individuals to overcome anemia challenges and live their best lives. Embrace the possibilities and embark on a journey towards a revitalized and vibrant future with Retacrit Injection.